Hello everyone, how are you today? Here, I would like to share some of our common concerns. Have you ever felt or disliked the word of academic writing and think it boring and difficult? I thought so too before. And wondered, is there anything that can save the breath and win our thumb up for its straightforwardness? Have you ever been confused with what are the difference among truths, opinions, and comments? Would you rather use common sense and simple facts to convince people of what you believe? Have you already found out that actually supporting a fact with a proof is easier than providing lots of opinions? Maybe your claim does sound very sure, but your facts are not touching, so people still doubt what you have said. Are you in a stage of passing an important test, writing a school term paper, do technical writing, or designing an ad, writing business drafts, negotiating a deal, reading and responding to legal documents, or convincing your investors? Have you ever spent best of your time practicing essay writing, memorizing all kinds of rules and phrases, but are still puzzled? Once you have learned the skills will teach you, you'll be very sharp in the fields of law, debating, arbitrating, public speeches, etc. This is a style of simple and direct way with no ambiguity or misunderstanding as compared with many other styles of writing.